Hello, welcome to Current News. I'm your host, Chris Davis. Today we are going to talk about how a Reddit group outsmarted a Wall Street Hedge Fund company. So, if you don't know already, GameStop stock has risen drastically this past week, and that's unexpected because people have been saying for years, even before COVID-19, that GameStop was having financial trouble since people are buying their games online and people are into PC gaming and they're streaming their games. That has taken a lot of the gaming market from GameStop. But this week, a hedge fund company on Wall Street was short selling GameStop stock, over short selling it. And just so you know, what short selling means is when an investor borrows stock from a stockbroker. They sell it at market price, speculating that it's going to go down. If they buy it back when the price goes down, they return it to the lender, and the difference between when they sold it and when they bought it back, that's the profit, the difference. And that's what this hedge fund company's plan was. Their plan was to borrow stock of GameStop from their stockbrokers, sell it at the market price, speculating that it was going to go down, buy it, expecting the price to go down, return it, and get the profit. However, a Reddit group called Wall Street Bets noticed that this was happening, did their research, and outsmarted the people who did this for a living. How? They bought the stocks that the hedge fund companies were selling, and when the Reddit group was buying it, the GameStop stock went up. Since it went up, the hedge fund company, they had to buy that stock back because it was loaned to them, so they had to buy it back when the price went up. So they lost billions of dollars. Now, when this gained national attention, people, especially in the media, accused the Reddit group of market manipulation. But what the hedge fund company was doing was market manipulation. They were overly short selling GameStop stock. But the Reddit users, when they outsmarted the hedge fund company and the hedge fund company lost money, the Reddit groups, they gained a lot of money. People gained so much money, they were able to pay off their debts, they were able to pay medical bills. Like, you have some people who have made a lot of money off of this. Now, the results of this whole situation, some of it's good, some of it's bad. The good, the Reddit users made off a lot of money at the hedge fund company's expense. That's the good news. The bad news is the results of what's been going on is that the Reddit group was banned for Discord due to hate speech and market manipulation. I don't know how you can ban them for hate speech. They haven't done anything resulting in hate speech or the definition of it. Also, as this was going on, Robinhood, the app that allows you to purchase stocks, they had temporarily banned their users from purchasing GameStop stock and the theater AMC. And a lot of people have accused Robinhood of market manipulation, preventing their users from buying the stock at a certain time. Even politicians weighed in. accusing Robinhood of protecting the Wall Street elite and of market manipulation. When Robinhood was accused of market manipulation, people have come out and said that the reason why Robinhood temporarily blocked their users is that their system didn't have the capacity for everyone to buy GameStop and AMC stocks at the same time. However, users of the Robinhood app, a lot of them are not convinced. They still accuse Robinhood of market manipulation. Even in the Google Play Store, their reviews went down to 1 star. But reports say that Google has deleted those negative reviews, putting them at 4 stars. Now I would like to share my thoughts with this story. Okay, I think that it was pretty cool that a Reddit group outsmarted a hedge fund company, people who do this for a living. When I was looking at the news stories, what I researched and stuff was that this group, the Wall Street Bets, a lot of people in this group have a lot of resentment and animosity towards Wall Street for the financial crisis, and they feel and they think that Wall Street is always getting over on the little guys, that the whole system is designed in their favor, that the rules always change and to benefit them. And the stunt that they pulled this week was just like their way of using their system against the hedge fund company. Now, a lot of financial experts have come out and said, do not shorten stocks. Do not do what this Reddit group called Wall Street Bets did, because essentially you are taking a very big risk. You don't know for certain whether or not those stocks are going to go up or go down, so it's best for you to get financial advisement, or if you invest in the stock market, do your homework. Know that you could lose what you put in there, and it's better for you to invest in the long run rather than try to do some short-term gain. And what Wall Street Bets did, I would say that this was planned, sort of. It's more opportunistic. They saw that this was happening, and they saw a window of opportunity, and they had taken it. I don't think that you can just do something like this on command unless you see another company on Wall Street overly shortening stocks. Then if you can band a group of people together, you could probably do it again, but that's something, it's very opportunistic. And if you do invest in the stock market, do your research, and it's better for you to invest long term, because no one can really predict the stock market, but it's more predictable long term. Now, about Robinhood, I am really disappointed that they blocked users from temporarily buying GameStop and AMC stock. They temporarily stopped people. You can buy it now, but they did stop people for a while, and people have called out Robinhood for market manipulation, and I am very upset that Robinhood did that. It's supposed to be a free market, and a lot of people have said that it's not free. It really benefits the people at the very top, like people with the big money. and they say that they can still buy and sell stock even after hours when you or I, normal people, can't. So rules and regulations like that, I think, need a closer look as to why, because I don't understand why they can buy and sell stock after hours when us average people can't. That obviously gives them an edge. But yeah, I thought this story was pretty cool, and I've been wanting to cover it and stuff. I would have done it earlier, but I've had some issues with my internet. And yeah, the GameStop company, like the CEO must be really happy that this is going on right now. So a lot of people benefited off of it. The hedge fund company was taught a lesson that hey, the Main Street or the average person, they can get in there and compete with them too. If enough average people get in, they can compete with the hedge fund companies or the big Wall Street firms. They can. So this was a very cool story that happened. Yeah, so Reddit group of people on Reddit outsmarting hedge fund company, outsmarting people who invest and day trade for a living. So pretty cool. But like I said, it was pretty opportunistic. Don't think they could probably do it again unless, I don't know, you find someone else who's dumb enough to shorten stock, especially after what happened. Alright, that's all we have for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. What did you think of the story? If you liked what I had to share, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, share this video with all of your friends, and all of you have a great day.